Maulana Hazir Imam, Shah Rahim Al Hussaini Aga Khan, has announced an official visit to the United Kingdom. During this visit, Maulana Hazir Imam will meet with the Jamaat residing in the United Kingdom and Ireland. The visit will take place from the 1st to the 5th of February 2026. In order to focus his full attention on the Jamaat of the United Kingdom and Ireland, Hazir Imam does not wish members of the Jamaat from other countries to travel to the United Kingdom during his visit. In a Talika Mubarak, read in Jamaat Khanas worldwide, Maulana Hazir Imam also shared that he is planning a separate visit to Germany, where he will have the opportunity to meet with his Jamaat residing in Germany as well as in other European countries under the jurisdiction of the Ismaili Council for the United Kingdom. In the same Talika Mubarak, Maulana Hazir Imam conveyed his good wishes to his global Jamaat for the new year, saying, "I pray that 2026 brings happiness, peace, good health, and the fulfillment of all your good wishes." In recent times, Maulana Hazir Imam graciously blessed his murids with his presence through visits and Deedar in different parts of the world. He travelled to Canada, where the Jamaat was honoured with the opportunity of his Deedar. He also visited the United States, where the Jamaat was likewise blessed by his presence and loving guidance. Now, by the grace of Allah, this great fortune is being bestowed upon the Jamaat of the United Kingdom. Maulana Hazir Imam will be visiting the United Kingdom, granting the Jamaat the immense blessing of his Deedar. This visit is a moment of deep joy, gratitude, and spiritual happiness for the murids. Through these visits, Maulana Hazir Imam continues to bless his murids worldwide with his love, care, and guidance, strengthening the bond between the Imam and his Jamaat and filling their hearts with faith, hope, and gratitude.
Ali is the emperor of the righteous.